Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to Clear It Out, which is a challenge that I made for myself. I had 18 paper collections, and last month I did a pretty good recap. I think it was last month of where I was, and I have a playlist for Clear It Out if you want to check it out too. So one of the things that I had in there was I had this pouch full of scraps from one of these Disney 12 by 12 collections when I made a journal. And then I also had a whole nother collection. I mean, I had a ton, and you can look at last month and before and see. So this wipes out the scraps from the 6x6 from the small pad. They might have gotten mixed in here. And then all the bases. So I am done with all of the Disney-ish, Once Upon a Magic and Wonder, all that. So what I have here is I made a bunch more card fronts for the school office staff. Again, I have taken out anything that's Mouse and Me or Disney. For education, you have music programs, so that'll be a cute one. This is great. These colors are going to be amazing with primary. We have a lot of school ephemera that's primary, and with school buses, all kinds of things. And then, just polka dots and fun, all sorts of them. Some of them I was just using up 12 by 12 as quick as I could. Others were scraps. They were strip cards that were already in the package, like, just UFOs for years. That's what these were. I made them all card fronts that people who aren't really experienced card makers can decorate. I hand them these, they decorate them all, and then I put them on the card bases, or I talk them through it, because it gets a little confusing because there's a couple different sizes in here. I didn't mat them all exactly the same, but they all fit on an A2 card front. So I have those. Then I have a whole bunch that's really mousy or scrapbooky. Like every picture tells a story, family fun, Mouse and Me, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to give to Eileen with my Disney package for her, because she'll make stuff that will use that, and we wouldn't use it on the cards for school. Here I have some scraps and some more general sentiments and some cut aparts, and I did some die cutting with some of the scraps, so they have like butterflies and stars and hearts. It just, okay, these work. Something in there about every day is magic. I mean, just really general stuff that's cheerful and inspirational. And this is a giant stack, isn't it? We're not going to count it. We're not going to count it. Sorry about my voice if I didn't already say that. It's still getting better. That is Clear It Out. I don't know. Oh, I think next month for Clear It Out, you're going to see a journal made with the I Am collection from Simple Stories. That was one that I had in there that I loved. I just thought it's time. It needs to go. So you're probably going to see that. And then I don't know what else. Maybe something else. We're getting to the point, I think I had like 9 more to go. Now we're getting down there. Maybe we'll finish first couple rainy months and then have it out of the way before the holidays. That would be my goal, because I don't have any fall or Christmas stuff in there. It's all just random, not seasonal collections. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was, I'll just flip through these while I talk, that this was inspirational, and that you are thinking about how much stuff you're bringing home and if you're clearing stuff out. And if it's a paper collection that you absolutely love and it makes you happy to see it sitting on the shelf, then okay, great. But if it's something that's just been sitting around bothering you, send it on its merry way. Donate it, give it, make a kit for somebody who's less experienced, whatever you need to do. Oh, the numbers. I thought the numbers were good for school too. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and taking great care of yourself. Don't let any of the various cruds that are going around get you, because it is not fun. Be sure to check out Stampin' Cat on Instagram too. The link is down below. She does Clear It Out with me. Clear It Out is on the 12th each month. You'll definitely see more stuff moving along next month. Thanks for spending time with me. Bye-bye.